Okay, I would like to start the tutorial videos by going over some basic settings for JAWS.
JAWS Professional.
Okay, the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that JAWS is running in laptop mode. Not only because I'm using a laptop now, but because I also set up my desktop PC to run in laptop mode as well, so I don't get confused and switch back and forth. A major component of using JAWS is the use of keyboard shortcuts, and there is a specific key modifier called the JAWS key. And for desktop computers, by default, the JAWS modifier is mapped to the insert key. That insert key is usually in a awkward place on the keyboard when you're on a laptop. So when you're in keyboard mode, the JAWS modifier key is mapped to the caps lock key. And I probably have already set that up on this machine, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to check that. You go to Options, and then you scroll down
Basics
using the
menu
arrow keys,
application menu basics to navigate press up or down arrow B.
and then
Enter leaving menus
hit
basic settings
Enter.
dialog tutor messages announce menu and control help radio button checked 2 of 3 to change the selection press up or down arrow alt plus T.
Now, in this dialog box mode, you can tab through these form elements using the tab key. Tab.
Access key speak all radio button checked 2 of 4 to change the selection press up or down.
So I just press the control button, and that makes JAWS silent while it's talking if you don't want it to finish its statements. Tab again.
Automatically start JAWS
Control again. So you can see how there is a focus indicator moving around this dialog box as I tab through it using the tab key. Tab again, and that should put me where we need to be.
prompt to confirm when exiting JAWS checkbox.
We're going to go through these radio boxes apparently. Tab,
Automatic notification. Run
tab,
JAWS from system trick. Show
tab,
virtual viewer on. Use
tab.
keyboard layout combo box. Desktop 1 of 3. To change the selection use the arrow keys alt plus L.
I'll use the arrow keys.
Laptop 2 of 3.
Laptop is the one that I want. We want to use the laptop keyboard layout, so I'm going to tab to the OK key.
Windows system parameters button. Advanced button. OK button. To activate press space bar alt plus O. JAWS Professional.
Okay, so now the JAWS modifier key has been remapped from the insert key to the caps lock key. And once again, I do this for both desktops and laptops because in general the caps lock key is always easier to get to than the insert key, and I don't want to have to remember what the JAWS key is. I want it to be in the same place so I don't have to relearn my keyboard shortcuts. Okay, the next little piece that I want to show you is how to get help. And the main kind of help that I'm talking about is going to be keyboard shortcuts, because there
JAWS
are a
context menu
gazillion of them.
application.
There are a lot of keyboard shortcuts, and they're all important. So what we're going to do is go to the Help menu,
Training
and
T.
then
JAWS help topics F1 J.
now these are all good resources, and I recommend looking at all of them. But for right now, we're going to go to the
Keyboard
keyboard
commands
commands.
K. Enter leaving menus. Once you pick a topic and press enter on it, use the F6 key to move to and read the info.
Okay, so this interface should look pretty familiar. I believe this is kind of like a robo help or your just standard help document. And we want to use the index.
Index page, type in text, Alt plus W.
And I found the easiest to use menu on here is under K, keystrokes. So K
To move
keystrokes,
to an item, press the arrow keys.
and underneath keystrokes, internet.
To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Enter.
And then the web browser link on this screen takes us
Page
to
has 10 headings and 40 JAWS.
Control to make him go quiet. I found that this is the most concise and relevant list of keyboard commands.
Blank. Desktop blank. Same link heading
And I'm
level
just
2 general
scrolling down
commands.
using the arrow keys. And of course,
Summary
he's
colon
saying
general
everything.
HTML commands.
Okay, and you're going to see here for the keyboard shortcut to read the address bar in your internet browser. The keyboard command is insert A, and what did we say earlier? That we wanted to use the laptop layout, so we have to do a little mental change, and instead of using
Table column 2 row
insert,
5 insert plus A.
We're going to use what? Caps lock plus A. Now, you might be wondering what becomes of my caps lock key if it's being used as the JAWS modifier. I'm going to press caps lock right now twice in rapid succession and listen to what JAWS tells me.
Alt plus D.
Oh, it's not telling me anything.